Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AAPL, Apple. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, quite the craziness with Apple, all the headlines, all the, the virtual events and the announcements and everything. But at the end of the day, what I love about charts is they allow you to just kind of cut through all that and just, remain focused on the levels that matter. And the level that really is going to matter going forward, and this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have watched past videos. But if you have, you know that I talked about $122 over and over again as a level of support. But now that the price ultimately broke down below that level right there, that is where the update needs to come into play. And this update is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when areas of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So because that 122 mark was was broken, according to the rule, you'd expect to see it act as resistance. I mean, you could throw this right into a textbook. That is exactly what happened. It was broken right there. Price came down, bounced back upwards, and look right where the price got rejected, right at 122. So I'm not saying that the price can never get above 122. All I'm saying is that moving forward, if there is going to be any sort of chance at all for the price to get up in the 124s and 125s, it all begins and ends now with that 122 mark. So can the price get back up above that level? Again, that's going to be the main area of resistance from the near-term perspective. As far as levels of support are concerned, the level that a lot of people are going to be watching right down here, basically this double bottom point, around 119.75. So while nothing is guaranteed in the market, all I'm saying here with this is that it's a more than valid, it's a more than rational thought that if the price comes down to the 119.75 and then eventually breaks down through it, that break could very well create quite a bit of downside selling pressure. Again, not guaranteed, but something to keep an eye on moving forward. So those are definitely going to be the two main technical levels to watch headed into Wednesday here. So let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.